Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here, and from Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul, a learning series by wavestrategy.com. And this is a very quick announcement I want to make. On 23rd of October at 11 a.m., I'm conducting a free 2 hours of webinar, which is going to talk about how to trade the market looking at candlestick and time cycles. तो टाइम साइकिल एक बहुत ही सिंपल कंसेप्ट है और कैंडलस्टिक भी बहुत ही सिंपल कंसेप्ट है. इसके ऊपर हम डिस्कशन करेंगे फॉर 2 hours. So the session is on 23rd of October, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and you have to ensure that you are a part of this life-changing webinar. Why I am calling this as a life-changing webinar? क्योंकि अभी तक आपका फोकस था प्राइस के ऊपर एंड ये वेबिनार के बाद में आपका फोकस शिफ्ट हो जाएगा टाइम के ऊपर. So this webinar is going to be in Hindi and English mix, and anyone can attend this, whether you are a beginner, whether you are a fresher, or you are already an expert trader who wants to increase the accuracy of trading, or you are someone who is doing a full-time job and want to quit your job and get into trading. You see the market scaling to new highs, but are you a part of this trend which is going on? If not, then why are you missing it out? Why can't you time the entry looking at simple methods that work in the market? Yes, and this is a free webinar, so you have nothing to lose. See, the major difference from someone who is trying to trade the market without any knowledge and someone who is just trying to get in the market by learning something is a huge difference, because someone who is already trading the market without any knowledge is possibly losing a lot of money. Even if he makes over short period, the overall run he will lose money because he's trading without any understanding of the simple concept that works in the market. And look at the volatility. We can clearly see the markets have been volatile. There has been big swings on the upside, but also some retracement on the downside. So how to time this retracement, how to enter exactly, especially if you are an option trader. Yes, this webinar on Saturday, which is 23rd of October, is going to focus on option trading using candlestick and time cycle. And this is also going to be for intraday traders. So not necessarily if you are a positional trader, whether you will understand something or not. Everyone will be able to get these concepts, because whatever concept we do for intraday trading on options, you can still apply it on positional trading. You can apply those concepts on investment. So what is time cycle actually? Time cycle helps us to understand when the markets will form a low. It's a very simple concept. We want to time the entry so you can even predict with the very accurate date or day or time that the markets are going to form a low in during this period. And if you have been following me on my Twitter handle at the Kyal Ashish, you can see over the past many weeks I've been giving you exact date when the market will reverse, exact time when the reversal will happen, and look at it. It has worked out so fabulously well. I'm sure you are already looking at those tweets. Don't you want to now learn out of the way I am seeing the market, how I am predicting the market? To be honest, why you should learn from me? I'm a chartered market technician myself. I've worked with Lehman Brothers. I've seen 2008 crisis when Lehman Brothers filed for bankruptcy, US investment bank. I have done my CMT within 1 year, and I have also been an engineer. So I have learned, I have been in the market across the time frame, and I have been a trader, a mentor. I have trained thousands of people already. I have conducted recent program on Master of Cycles. The reason I am doing this free webinar again is because so many of you have come back to me asking me, they want to understand how to trade using cycle analysis, and that is why I'm coming out with this free webinar again. You have nothing to lose. So after the webinar, you will also get few video links, 3 bonus videos you will get from the webinar. So you just have to register by visiting wavestrategy.com/webinar. Once you register that, you will get an invite link from Zoom. The platform will be on Zoom where we are going to conduct this webinar, and you will get an invite for that in your email. We will also send across details to you via WhatsApp if you are registered, and you will ensure that you will be with me in this 2 hours of time. The things that you trade in the market is going to be absolutely fabulous. It's going to be very different. So what is there to lose? There is absolutely plus and plus. And for me, I really enjoy what I do, and I'm passionate about it, and I want people to understand something like this works in the market. ये इतना सिंपल कंसेप्ट है जो मार्केट में चलता है, लेकिन only a few big players, hedge funds, fund houses are aware about it. I have worked with those hedge funds. I have worked with these companies, and I know what they look at in the market. So I'm going to combine these techniques together and give it to you, and that you can immediately start applying from the next trading session itself. So I invite your friends, your family members. Ensure these online webinars are being utilized by just sitting at your home, and you can simply have to spend 2 hours of your time, not much. I'm asking only 2 hours. Don't you have 2 hours for your own self? If you don't, if you say you don't have time, then how are you going to do things differently? अभी तक जो कर रहे थे वो तो हम कर ही रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर लाइफ में कुछ चेंज करना है, we need to do things differently. And these 2 hours of webinar which I'm conducting on 23rd is going to change the way you trade and look at the market. So how do you enroll? You simply have to go to wavestrategy.com/webinar, and you need to register there, and you will be getting all the details. You can also contact us on 9920422202, and you will be set for a life-changing experience. And this is going to ensure that if you want to become more confident, if you want to increase your accuracy by trading, if you want to quit your job and do a full-time trading, or if you want to do it parallelly along with your job or business, you can do that. Market is the only place where it does not matter whether you are a housewife or a successful business person. Everyone has to become disciplined and needs to understand the science of trading. I call it a science because if you understand the science of probability and trading, you can make money in this market. That is what I can tell you. I've also authored a book, as I said, which is released globally and is launched in London, available in India. Effective trading in financial markets using technical analysis. So why don't you want to learn from me, who has written a book about it? And I'm going to share that knowledge with you all on a Saturday, 23rd October at 11 a.m. This is Ashish Kyal signing off, and do ensure you share this video across whoever you think will benefit by simply attending these 2 hours of free webinar, and they will be changing the way looking at the way market works. The entire perception will change. That is what I can commit to you. Thank you very much. Ashish Kyal signing off, and stay in touch. For any queries, you can contact us on 9920422202. Thank you.